This is my 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 that was in a car fire, and a ton of parts have arrived, so I can finally start working on getting this car running again. To make some room in the engine bay, the transmission cooler lines get undone, and the radiator and fan can be removed. All the accessories and brackets on the front of the engine can also be removed because they were damaged in the fire, and I have a brand new serpentine setup I'll be installing later. Most of the debris on the engine can be blown off, then the valve cover is removed. The distributor can also be removed, and to check if the oiling system is okay, I used a 1/4 inch socket and impact to turn the oil pump. And we're getting oil to the rocker arms. The engine in here is a Ford FE, and to remove the intake manifold, the valve train needs to be removed. Once it's out and organized, the intake can be pulled off. The old intake is a tripower setup with 3 carburetors, but to simplify everything, I'm using this Edelbrock Performer RPM intake with just one single 4-barrel carburetor. The old gasket material gets scraped off, then the new intake gaskets go on, and a thick bead of RTV goes on the china walls, followed by the intake manifold and new hardware which gets tightened in sequence. A bit of RTV can go between the intake and head, ensuring there's no oil leaks here. The valve train gets replaced, and I make sure to tighten down the rocker arms evenly before torquing them to spec. Then the new cast Edelbrock valve covers can go on. And the final piece I'm installing today is this Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor. Now the only thing I need for this engine to run is the distributor, which should hopefully be coming soon.